new motorcycle 4-axles 2-in-1. With fly mode and land mode, you can have more joy to play. Powerful dynamic. 2.4 Hz multiply vehicles running without interference. Change to 4 axles and start fly mode. Land air mode switch. Turn the airplane into motorcycle. Firstly, remove the blades and install the corresponding wheel in the groove position. Then, align with the triangle symbol and rotate in the indicated direction to close the tripod and fuselage. Click the finger button of the indication watch 3 times. Long press the 1 click to return button of the remote. Turn the motorcycle into airplane. First step is take the wheel out by rotating it in the direction of the groove. Then, attach the corresponding blades and open the tripod. Charging instructions. Connect the battery and Type-C. Red light on after charging. Induction watch charging instructions. Connect the watch with a charging cable. Connect the power supply, and the red light will be off after charging. After loading the battery, rotate the switch. Open the back cover plate. Insert the battery wiring and cover the cover plate again. Basic function. Induction watch. Short press the finger button. 1 key to take off. Short press the watch button. 1 key to fall in. Press the 1-click take off button on the remote control to directly start the control rocker of the plane and start to fly. After pressing 1-click landing, the plane begins to descend. Emergency stop. Land mode of induction watch. Basic functions display. When the fist is in low pressure, forward, raise the fist for backward. Palm left for left. Palm right for right turn. Press and hold the finger button to raise the fist to rise. The fist to press down to fall. Forward. Backward. Right fly. Left fly. Hold down the finger button, fist left for left, fist right for right turn. Speed shift. Press the speed shift button. Low gear. Medium speed block. High speed gear. Scan the corresponding QR code or directly search H5 Wi-Fi in the application market to download and install. Connect the aircraft Wi-Fi in the settings of the phone. Open the aircraft software after connection and click Start in the lower right corner to enter the real-time transmission interface. Photo and video. Take a photo or a screenshot of the camera button to fly you one video with a photo. The Headless Mode. After starting up, the plane remembers which direction it was heading when it takes off. Press again to cancel. 1 click to return. The aircraft will automatically return according to the direction of takeoff after receiving the automatic return instruction or loss of control signal.